SHOT Show 2026 coverage is presented by 511 Tactical.
Vanguard Arms, the Vanguard Arms booth at SHOT Show 2026. I was here last year. You guys recognize some of these guys watching this half-cooked bullshit that you guys turn out. This year, I'm positive that you guys are trying to get sued by my uncle Carl Bruger because we already did like the SP9 Tommy gun,
They like
right?
that.
Yeah. Well, I mean, no. Everyone like. B&T does?
Yeah. B&T likes it.
Yeah, and now we're knocking off the TP9,
Yeah,
right? So Corbin, Titus Arms, a kind of like sub-company of Vanguard, which is brilliant as a lawyer because you guys need as much layers of liability protection as you can possibly get looking at the bullshit that you turn out. So we're talking about, look, the big takeaway here right now is how much is this going to cost?
$1,000.
Yeah, $1,000 TP9. Yeah. How is this different than the B&T TP9?
So in terms of what we're working on and what we're doing, the main thing is we want to do U.S. reproduction parts. So U.S. machine shops for everything, bolt, trigger, fire control group, barrel mounting, and we want to improve on it. Like we want to give options. Like we want to do hub compatible like barrel mount. We want to do different caliber options. I don't like 9mm that much. I carry 5.7. I want to do 5.7 and 4.6 for and 9mm, of course, for caliber options on this. Like I want to improve and modernize on it. Different top covers. We are working with a company on potentially doing a run of aluminum ones as well. That'll work on a TP9 and just different design. You know, just improve and change it if that makes sense.
Yeah. No, and that's funny because. Carl might be insulted by that insinuation, and I know he watches my videos, and I love the man dearly, and I'll just say, yeah, Carl, I mean, you should just buy these companies out, like just hire these guys so they quit dicking around with your stuff, like just own them, and like they can be the Walmart B&T.
B&T at home.
Yeah, exactly. The B&T at home. So we've got some 3D printed components. Right. We've got some, like, how are we doing this? That's what I want to know.
We're going to do complete SBRs. In my opinion, they're not good as pistols. I don't like these as pistols. What we have in here is a Steyr SPP kit specifically, and we want to do a retrofit / upgrade option for people who own Steyr SPPs but want a decent foregrip and want the B&T folding stock. So if you have an SPP, we're going to do stripped receiver, stripped frames for you to throw all your components in, and of course, again, complete SBRs for $1,000, hopefully.
Yeah. Well, what about the kits? Just the kit, not the complete gun.
Strip like receiver and top cover. I don't have pricing yet. I'm hoping for $200, honestly, for the retrofit. So that's the plan. I'm still working out final pricing, especially as I'm starting to get through the final stages of prototyping.
What do we know about magazine compatibility? I mean, it's going to use MP9 magazines if you're doing 9mm, of course. I noticed that. But if we're talking, like you said, 5.7, 4.6.
Yeah, so the first thing for 5.7 that we're thinking is PSA Rock magazines because they have a 40-round magazine already. So that would be good. I don't like the angle of it. I don't like how it goes back. I don't like Glock mags. So that's what we're thinking for now. For the 4.6 magazines, we're hoping MP7 magazines when the SP7 comes out, right, and trying to work off of those because that's a better form factor. And the MP7 was based off of this, right? So it's kind of like it'd be cool. It'd be cool to be.
No, you guys are smart kids, like thinking ahead. It smells like shit down here, and you guys weird me out, but you're
weird.
Yeah, no, more than a little. But yeah, you're very clever, and I always enjoy coming down here. I mean, really. I come down here and break your balls. But no, this is why I like coming down here to the dungeon, seeing especially younger generations, you guys making some brilliant concepts here. The spirit of the firearms industry lives on in this nasty-ass dungeon. Guys, thanks a ton for watching. Stay tuned. We're bringing you more SHOT Show 2026. Take care.